You are cordially invited to join us to celebrate Earth Day 2012. Somerset Community College's annual celebration will be held Sunday, April 22nd. The event will be on the college's Somerset campus and is from 1 to 5 p.m. Join us for an afternoon of fun for little kids, fun for big kids, and fun for adults. Take part in activities that will be fun for the adventurous, fun for the curious, and fun for the creative. No matter what your age or interests, this free event offers fun for everyone. Here's a quick look at some of what you'll find. Kentucky Reptile Zoo, Southwestern High School Raptor Center, Fun Run and Nature Trail Walk, learn about the biology of bears, bees, butterflies, and Buck Creek, information on innovative technologies such as hybrid engines and management solutions, demonstrations on good environmental practices, demonstrations by local and state businesses on green building products, face painting, giveaways, live music, food, seedling trees, and much, much more. So come join us to celebrate our wonderful Earth and learn more about it. Somerset Community College's Somerset campus is located at 808 Monticello Street in Somerset, Kentucky. You can learn more about the college and the Earth Day celebration by visiting us on the web.